Hey everybody, this is Matt here. In this video I'm going to demonstrate using the auto power off feature, which is installed on the Akaso Brave 7 action camera. Basically, the auto power off feature will automatically turn off the camera if it's left inactive for a period of time, a set period of time. So I'm going to now swipe down. You can actually, no, getting ahead of myself there. You can see that's my shooting screen there. You can see my frame rate and resolution there in the bottom center. But now I'm going to swipe down and I'm going to press the preferences icon there in the bottom center. See that? I'm going to press that now. Okay, now this is the preference menu. So I have to keep swiping up. And there's general settings. I need to tap that now. That's another menu. Okay, so I'm going to keep swiping up now. And under general settings, you can see this is the universal menu. Okay. See that? Okay. Now I'm going to keep swiping up now. And here it is here. Auto power off. See that? Okay. Auto power off. I'm going to now tap that. And we can see we have a few options here. We see we have never, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes there. Okay. Now, we can make a selection here for auto power off. 10 minutes is the selection that I had made earlier, off camera. So basically, if I leave the camera inactive, so if I'm not recording or taking pictures, it'll turn off automatically after about 10 minutes, okay? So you can swipe through them. You have the option of 5 minutes. Again, the same thing. You set it to 5 minutes. The camera will automatically turn off if left inactive for 5 minutes. You have the option of 2 minutes, okay? And again, like as I was saying, it'll shut off after 2 minutes if left inactive, okay? But what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go with never. I'm gonna tap never. I'm not necessarily recommending this. If you wanna leave your camera on and afraid you're gonna forget to turn it off, by all means go with either 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It'll definitely preserve your battery, but it'll conserve your battery life. But I'm going to select never. Okay, see that? There's a little check mark to the right of never. I've selected never. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to now tap the X in the upper right to go back to the shooting screen. Okay, perfect. That is using the auto power off feature on the Akaso Brave 7 action camera. Have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. In the YouTube comment section here. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for your time.